Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you why is it English learning important and why is English speaking important, and I will tell you why I'm learning English. So if you are also English learner and this question is also your mind, and why is it important learning English, so these all questions answer is in this video. So watch this video till end. So guys, some people think that if we can talk in our native language, then why should I learn English? So I will tell you in this video why should I learn English. So guys, if you suppose that guys, if you are traveling and you are in other state and their language is changed and you don't know their native language, so if they people don't know your language, then how can you communicate with them? And suppose that if you are going not in any other state, suppose that if you are going in any other country or other state, then if you need anything, then how can you ask for anything if you don't know their language? So I think English is not our means like or dislike, because this is our need. So I think suppose that if you buy something and you can see in every packet, you are buying anything, like if you are going mall, or suppose that if you are going school or some anywhere, but everywhere English is very very important. Suppose that you buy something and on that packet there is written their quantity and what should I do and what shouldn't I do with that product. But if you don't know English, then you can take a wrong quantity and you can do something wrong with that product. Like suppose that you have taken much and you can be ill. So there is many problem. If you don't know English, you have to face lots of problem in your life. So some people also say like this, British went from our country, but also we are learning English, and we are like we are following their like language also. But guys, it doesn't matter. It's not about any British or something. This is our need, so that's why we should learn English. I think if you know English, then our life can be easy and can be easier from before. So that's why I think we should learn English for our need, not for anyone others. So like if you are I think in every home, and most of people, we cannot say every people, but most of the people have a smartphone, and in our phone everything in English. And if you want to use your phone properly, like in good way, in right way, then you have to learn English, you have to know English. And suppose that if you are studying and there is lots of book and PDF that is in English. So if you want to study, if you want to education, then every field there is English, and English is very important. So I think not for someone, English is English is a very very important for everyone. So guys, I would like to say only that everyone should know English, and this is not only for Indian. This language is for everyone, because um, and our official language is also Hindi and English, I think. So I think English is a must for everyone. So, and English is also international language. So I will say that you don't think more, and you should not have any second thought. You should learn English. So that's all for today. I think you have understood what I wanted to say. So guys, if you liked my video and if you enjoyed my video, so like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.